So today we're going to be changing out the ignition switch on my motorhome. Let's get down in here. I'm not doing this because there's anything wrong with this one. I'm doing this because someone decided to steal the keys out of my garage. So I got to replace the ignition switch and both door locks. So lots of fun. Let's get started. Here's the new one. Looks the same, at least on the outside, as the old one. So that's a good sign to start with. Front's off. There's the wire for the horn. And now I got to take off that big nut. Okay. Now I got to get my steering wheel puller. Figure out which one of these I need. No. No. Yes. Okay. Oh, I missed something. Supposed to be washers here. Yay, first try. Okay, so these things are relatively easy to use. You find the two bolts that fit in the two holes. Put them in. Make sure you got your washers and everything that it comes with so you don't wreck your tool. And have the middle one against the nut for the steering wheel. Then you just tighten. And it comes right off. So now we got to figure out how to take off all of this stuff in here. Because I got 3 screws holding that stuff, holding this on. Looks like there might be 3 screws there, but I don't know if that's just holding this plate on or this whole plastic piece. Not noticing any retaining clips in the middle part. Doesn't mean there ain't one, I just might not be noticing it. So I'm going to take out these 3 screws here in the middle and see what happens. Okay, well, that's all loose. Flat-headed one here. It's still not budging. This did come off. Okay, yeah, now I see a retaining clip right there. The 2 holes on there. There it is. So that'll be next. I have to go get my tool for that. Oh, I forgot to record it. I got the retaining clip out. Couldn't find my tools, so I had to end up using a couple of pointy things. Don't see anything else that can be holding. So what I'm going to do is just take out these other 3 screws. Okay, now we got movement. There we go. Okay. So I have to pull these wires up enough so that I can get it off. There's that off. This which went on there. And the spring that went on above it. And now we're into here. This is what I got to get out of here. And I still got to figure out how I do that. Looking like I might have to take this off to give me access. Learning as we go. Okay. Oh, I might not need to. I might just need to push that in. Well, let's give that a try. Huh. What do you know? There we go. Yeah, the 2 of them. Oops. And they look exactly the same. And once in, we got new keys. It works. Now there's your fire. Work. So, put the new one in. Everything works as you've seen. Turns everything it's supposed to. Now the reverse. Put it all back together. Nope. Look at that. Already forgetting steps. Oh, look at that. Still forgetting steps. Forgetting anything else? No. Okay. There, back together. Okay, the wheels are bent. Okay, so after checking the video that I did earlier, I figured out which way the steering wheel had to go, so it was on normally. Sweet, everything works. That's one down. So since the steering wheel went so well, let's get to work on the door. I put this lock on it because someone had keys for my camper. So that little slide bolt just slid over onto this little piece of metal here. Kept it so nobody would be able to open the door. Like on here, so nobody can get in there. I bolted that on real quick. So let's get started on this. Smaller guy. Oh. Yeah, that came off nice and easy. Okay, so we got the panel off. Where is it in there? Way up here. Can't really see too well. There's the back of it. That I've got to try and get out of there. That's the same as the new ones. Should just have little clips that pull off. There we go. So what I was dealing with was this in there. I couldn't get it to bend properly to be able to get this off. There's the new one with the bar back on it. I just got to reinstall. Slide in there bigger. Yep. So use the old clip. Keys. Works like a charm. Now let's put it all back together. And that's one side done. So next I got to do the other side. I won't bore you guys with watching the same thing twice. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and all that other fun stuff. And we'll catch you in the next video.